Critics darling, unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or art reviews. Critics darling. This phrase has a special meaning and usage in English, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension of the language. So, let's get started. The phrase, critics darling, is used to describe a person, often an artist, actor, writer, or even a work of art, like a movie or a book, that is particularly favored and admired by critics. The word, critics, refers to people who professionally review and critique works of art, literature, film, etc. The word, darling, here signifies someone who is especially beloved or favored. So, when you hear that someone is a critic's darling, it means that this person or their work has received a lot of positive attention and praise from critics. Interestingly, the word, darling, is not just used in this phrase. In English, darling is often used as a term of endearment towards loved ones. However, in the phrase, critics darling, it doesn't imply a personal relationship but rather a high level of appreciation and approval. This shows how English words can have different meanings depending on the context in which they're used. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The young director became a critic's darling after her debut film won numerous awards. 2. Despite mixed reviews from the audience, the novel was a critic's darling and topped bestseller lists. In these sentences, critics darling is used to describe someone who has gained critical acclaim, even if the public opinion is mixed. Understanding phrases like critics darling is important because it helps you grasp the nuances in English. This phrase is particularly useful in conversations about art, cinema, and literature. It also shows how English speakers often use metaphors and implied meanings, which is a key aspect of language learning. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, critics darling. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the culture and context in which those words are used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.